Are long lead times impacting your manufacturing capacity? Don't let supply chain disruptions hinder production. Be proactive with EIM, Evolution Inventory Management. You may be wondering how we do it. Well, meet the EIM team. Together, you'll gather needed information to develop a custom forecast. As your business fluctuates, your EIM team will ensure you have the parts you need when you need them. Don't believe it? Lucas K. says EIM helps provide flexibility to grow without fear of unanticipated spikes in demand. Bruce P. is happy he doesn't need to worry about over-inventorying hydraulic components. Ty H. explains that the managed product lead times make Evolution Motion Solutions a favorite distributor. Experience a sigh of relief. Contact your Evolution representative today and see if EIM is right for you.